Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to see one more exciting tutorial on one of the feature from SwiftUI. So in today's video we are going to see how you can deal with user defaults in SwiftUI using one property wrapper which is called as @AppStorage, and this will make us very easy to work with user defaults, whether we have to read or write with user defaults keys. It's very easy. So let's get started and see how we can do this. So like always, we will create one new Xcode project first. So select new project. Let me full screen this. Make sure this iOS is selected and select your app. Then let's name it as app storage demo. So this app storage is nothing but the property wrapper name. Then interface is SwiftUI. Like always, SwiftUI app is the life cycle and language is obviously Swift. Click next. Then we will save it on our desktop and we'll start. Okay, so let me just close this, and let me just close this part also, and let me click on resume. Okay, so we have to deal with user default. So for that, what we will do is we will take this one text and we will show one value which we will be saving in our that property wrapper, which is going to work with user defaults. So that property is nothing but @AppStorage, and inside this we have to give our key. So let's say username is our key name, and then we can create our property username, and by default I will assign this value as Prashant, so it will save the Prashant value in the user defaults with the key username. Okay, now let's display that key here. So for that I will first embed this part in a VStack, and inside VStack I will show the name. So I will say username is, and here we can use string interpolation, and we will display the username. Okay, let me just click resume and see if we can fetch the value from the user defaults or not. Okay, sometimes this takes problem, this canvas view, but okay, now it's loading and you can see that it is fetching the value. So currently the value in this username is coming from this app storage, which is basically fetching the value from the user defaults, and it is saving inside this, which is assigned from here, and it is using here. So there are mainly two advantages of using this app storage. One is we don't need to work on user defaults very much. Like here you are just getting the name, or this property you are telling here to display the name, or in UIKit we used to do is that user defaults dot value for key, we have to write all that code, but here we don't need to add that. So that is one part. And second part is when you save the value in app storage, and if that value gets changed, this view body completely get re-rendered again. So we don't need to check the value whether it is different or not and then show it on the view. So that part is also reduced, so it is also very much time saving. So we will also check that here. So to check whether the values are changing fast and this view is automatically re-rendering again or not, we will create one button here. So let's create a button, and let's name this button as get my new name, and I will create the action here. And this action, what I will do is I will say this username is equal to, suppose I will give a name here as Shaurya. Okay, so here now you can see I am seeing the button also at the bottom. So I will just run the code. Okay, now it's running, and now once I click on this, you will see that this name will get changed, because when you assign a new value to the app storage property wrapper, that value gets written inside this key, which is basically writing inside the user defaults. And that value, just since that value gets changed, this view body property comes to know that this value gets changed, so it will re-render the complete body again. And since it is using username here, so it will display the name which we have saved here by just clicking on this name. So let's see, and here we go. So here it has changed the value. So here you can see that how easy it is to write and read value from the user defaults in SwiftUI using this app storage property wrapper. So that's all guys for today's video. I hope you have learned something new, and if you have liked this video, make sure you hit the like button And for more videos like this, you can subscribe to my channel if you like my videos, where I create new videos with the new features which I try to learn, and I try to share that with you all. Also, you can check that I am here active on Stack Overflow, LinkedIn, Twitter, and GitHub also, so you can follow me there. Since if you want the code for the projects which I am creating in the videos, so I upload all those project code here on my GitHub, which is open source, so you can download all that from here. So that's all for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.